Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the iPhone SE unboxing. I know it's a bit late, but I bought this phone to share you a bit new information that we are expecting on the latest iPhone SE 2. As you can see here, this is the sorry, I keep dropping things. So as you can see here, this is the iPhone SE rose gold model. Okay, let me keep this aside. Here we go. We have, as usual, the AirPods. These are normal AirPods that can be used for your headphone jack. We get a small charger. This is the 5-watt charger, and the usual lightning cable, USB to lightning cable. So let me put all this aside. So these are some of the, I think, the user manual, and usual you get a Apple logo here. So put this aside, bring this phone up. So I'm going to boot it up. I got this phone, friends, to share you with the information that iPhone SE2, we are expecting a full display from here to here, like the iPhone 10. So if just imagine if you get this, rather than this display, if you get a display from here till to here, like the iPhone 10, then it would be very nice. So this is a 32 GB model, and this is a quite good phone as compared to the iPhone 7, because as you can see, some people prefer this size. This is a very handy size than this. Although iPhone 7 is pretty handy, still then iPhone SE is a best phone ever, that I feel from my point of view, because this is very handy, very chunky, and this doesn't have any camera hump here, and the camera is quite good in here because this camera is the camera that we get on the iPhone 6s. Front camera is a bit low, but still then we can manage it because we buy this phone for user friendly only, not for photography. So that's all, my friends. Just I wanted to show you this small difference between iPhone SE and iPhone 7. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.